Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In a move that will impact business owners and tax professionals across the nation, the IRS has released the 2020 Form 1099 NEC. The new form replaces Form 1099 Misc for reporting non-employee compensation in Box 7, shifting the role of the 1099 Misc for reporting all other types of compensation.
Take our lead.
What is the difference between non-employee compensation and other income on a 1099 Misc? You can only claim that deduction if you have business income. If it's a business, it gets reported on Schedule C. You deduct expenses on the form and pay self-employment tax on the net income.
Let's help you make your mark.
You can submit all 1099 forms, including Form 1099 NEC, to the IRS by mail or online, using the Filing Information Returns Electronically (FIRE) system. You must register with the FIRE system by filing an online application.
Let's help you make your mark.
The new Form 1099 NEC beginning with the tax year 2020, businesses will be required to file Form 1099 NEC to report payments for services of $600 or more to non-employees. For example, amounts paid to independent contractors or attorneys for services provided will be reported on Line 1.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.